Hello everyone, it's Karen from Aromatics International, delighted to bring you our newest recipe of the month, the Lemon Pine All-Purpose Cleaning Spray. This homemade cleaning solution will leave your surfaces sparkling clean while tackling germs and microbes, all while delighting your senses with a natural aroma. This process is pretty straightforward and fun, featuring 3 different essential oils that I personally love for all natural cleaning. By crafting your own cleaning spray, you contribute positively to your health and the environment. So let's begin this aromatic adventure. Our recipe combines 3 different essential oils: lemon oil, lemongrass rhodonol, and scotch pine, each prized for their antimicrobial properties and their distinct aromas. The vibrant, citrusy aroma of lemon oil also acts as an effective natural degreaser. Lemongrass chemotype rhodonol oil, besides its pleasing and uplifting aroma, is notably skin-friendly and excels in cleaning tasks. Scotch pine oil infuses the mix with a refreshing piney scent, which is perfect for rounding out our blend. To start, we'll be preparing our cleaning solution by adding 1 fluid ounce of Castile soap to a 4 fluid ounce spray bottle. This is a pet spray bottle. This plant-based soap is gentle but yet effective for making it an ideal base for our soap. We'll put 1 ounce, which is 1/4 of this bottle. There we go. Our next step will be to add 20 drops of each of our essential oils to this base. We'll start with our lemongrass rhodonol. It smells so woodsy and lemony, it's just gorgeous. There, got 20 drops of that. Our next oil is 20 drops of lemon. So bright and sparkly and refreshing. Now if you get an extra drop or 2 of the essential oils in this blend, don't even worry about it. It will blend in perfectly fine. And then lastly, 20 drops of our scotch pine. So woodsy and refreshing. Go, 20 drops. And finally, to complete this blend, we'll add 3 ounces of our water into the soap base. That would be the rest of our container. We'll just put it right in, right to the base. There we go. Put your cap on and give it a gentle shake to make sure everything is well incorporated. Every time I go to spray this, I'll give it a different little shake. Before widespread application of this spray, do a small area just to make sure that it's compatible with your specific countertop. And then just simply spray on the desired area and wipe off for optimal results. You've just crafted your very own Lemon Pine All-Purpose Cleaning Spray. Remember, due to the absence of preservatives, it's best to use this cleaning spray within 1 to 2 months. To prolong the shelf life, you could add 190 proof alcohol like Everclear or another high proof grain alcohol, which should be about 25% of your mix. Simply put 25% less or 1 ounce less of your water and add 1 ounce of your Everclear. While this recipe is quite simple, we've also curated a convenient kit containing all the necessary ingredients should you prefer to go that route. It's always great to hear about your experiences, so do share how your cleaning spray works for you. Enjoy and happy cleaning.